A nutrition diet for weight loss typically includes wool foods. Focus on wool, unprocessed food like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Number 2, hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Number 3, portion control. Eat smaller, frequent meals to manage hunger and portion sizes. Number 4, macronutrient balance. Aim for a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Number 5, limit processed foods. Avoid sugary drinks, fast food, and processed snacks. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.